32. X to the fourth minus 10x to the third. Everything divided by x squared minus 17x and plus 70. I'm going to ask you, can I simplify x squared with x to the fourth? Can I take away 2 from here and 2 from here? Is x squared a factor? Is x to the fourth a factor? No. So I can't touch anything. So what do I have to do then? I have to completely factor. Look at the top and tell me what goes out. What is left in parentheses? Perfect so far. What about the denominator? It's in descending order. Before I touch this, before I decide to simplify, I must state restrictions. I cannot state restrictions after I simplify. I have to state the restrictions right here, right now. And now, which factor goes away? Please put 1 and please put 1, because some may think that it's 0 in there. What is left at the top? What is left in the denominator? What is the correct final answer, not what you see in your book? So the final answer is, the simplified form is x cubed over x minus 7 only if, because if x is 10 or x is 7, the whole thing is undefined. Right. Okay. Would you like to choose another? (48). 2x squared minus x minus 3 over 2x cubed minus 3x plus 2x minus 3. Can I simplify anything in this stage? What do I have to do then? I will take 2x squared minus x minus 3 aside. 2x squared minus x minus 3. It's in descending order. No greatest common factor, no special product, no negative leading coefficient. 1 is not the leading coefficient, so then what do I do? I need two numbers whose product is -6 and whose sum is -1. -3 and +2. 2x squared minus 3x plus 2x and minus 3. From the first two, what is left in parentheses? What should I write from the other two? Otherwise, I can't continue. Now, what do I put in front? So then I pull out a 2x minus 3, and then? So this is the factor form of the top. I can write it. I can put it in. 2x minus 3 and x plus 1. Let's take the denominator aside and decide what the factor form is. X squared plus 1, which is not factorable. So then I go back to my denominator and I put 2x minus 3 and I put x squared plus 1. I must state restrictions before I simplify. There is no restriction for x squared plus 1. Why? X squared plus 1 is never 0 no matter what you do. Why? Because it's x squared plus 1. Positive plus 1 will never be 0. So there is no restriction for x squared plus 1, but there is a restriction for this. 3, yes, 3 halves. X cannot be 3 halves. So I simplify. So what is the simplified form? Is x plus 1 over x squared plus 1 if x does not equal 3 halves. I will assign homework from this, not for next week, but after we come back, for Monday after we come back. You should start working on the homework as soon as possible, but it's not due next Wednesday. It will not be due next Wednesday. It will be